post office. Let's go over there. This is the entrance to the regular post office. So if you have to mail anything. Speaking of the post office, I sort of didn't bring the right clothes. Actually, I already had clothes in Valencia because I was here in the winter. So I have a nice warm wool scarf that I do not need right now because I think it was like 34 degrees today. Because I brought like this thick sweatshirt, a down jacket. I decided to buy a box at the post office, put in all the stuff I don't need, and ship it over to Spain or wherever you live. So you ship it over and then you get to travel a lot lighter. So I'll just buy maybe 1 or 2 t-shirts and that's it, because I have plenty of other, like the lower half I have like light pants and skirts, so that'll do. And then
after Valencia, I went to Milan, and I still had too many things. So the people at the hotel told me where I could buy a box, adhesive tape, and I took everything to the post office. All 3 places were close to one another, within walking distance, and for nearly 3 kilos, I paid 29 euros.
So the thing is, travel light. If you have too many things with you or things you're not using, mail them home. I don't think it'll start snowing, but if it does, then I'll just buy like a scarf or wear lots of layers. That's my thing. Layers, layers, layers. Okay, so let me show you where I'm going.